What's going on YouTube? Tony here. Starting the day off at 100%. Just took it off the charger at 4 a.m. Getting my coffee pot ready. Getting ready to head out to work. And I do have also my Galaxy Watch 4. So we'll be testing out the battery life on that also. So yeah, stay tuned throughout the day. I'll be adding these videos all into one to let you know where I'm at with the battery life. But 100%, 4 a.m. All right guys, so I'm back as promised with the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. A day battery life usage. I'm just reporting as I go out throughout the day my battery life. So I took this off the charger at 4 a.m. as you saw, and it is currently 9:06. I'm on my breakfast break. I'm pulling a 10-hour shift today, so 81%. And I've been streaming a lot of music, so I want to show you. Go into my battery here. I think it's already opened. Go into my battery. Nope. Here it is. Nope. Where are you? Right here. Battery. So 4 hours, 55 minutes use since I took it off the charger, and I'm at 81%. YouTube music is what I'm mainly using right now. 3 hours, 24 minutes. I'm streaming music to a little Bluetooth speaker. I'll probably incorporate that image in this video so you can see the speaker that I'm using. And other than that, it's been pretty good. Also, the Galaxy Watch is paired to the Galaxy Watch, so keep that in mind also. And this is what I've been using throughout the day. Twitter, I checked Twitter briefly, and I went on Chrome. I used what is it called? The Google feed over here. I've been reading some of this stuff over here, so I like this. And the Galaxy Watch 4 is currently at 2%. So I'm at 82%. I had to turn up the vibrations on here because I wasn't really feeling the vibrations. I went into the Galaxy Wear app and I changed this, and I changed it to long and then strong. So that didn't sound right, but yeah. Yeah, I set it like that so I could feel the vibrations on my watch, because I was missing the vibrations. I wasn't really feeling. Like the Apple Watch is super, you really feel the vibrations on that. This one is like real light. If you're using tools, you won't even feel the vibrations. I turned that up, and so far so good. So stay tuned for some more battery updates as I go on through the day. Hopefully this will last me all the way to 9 p.m. I'm hoping. All right, so I'm back with an update. It is 11:44 a.m. We're at 68%. I'm at work. I took this phone off the charger at exactly 4 a.m. When I woke up, it was at 100%, so we're at 68%, almost 8 hours later. I've been doing a lot of YouTube streaming most of the day since I am at work, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you, go ahead and show you my battery, where we're at right now. So we'll go into battery, and it says 68% available if we tap on there. And then we tap again, and it'll show you what I've been doing on here. So I'm 5 hours and 36 minutes of streaming and some light YouTube here in the car since I'm on my lunch break, checking emails and reading some news articles on Chrome. I am connected to my Galaxy Watch 4 and Twitter. Just checking up on my local stuff. I'm getting tons of notifications from my Nest cameras. I'm about to go on Twitter. I'm on TikTok here in a second, but yeah, that's basically what I've been doing. Listening to music, and 7 hours and 33 minutes used total. But I'm about to get out of here at maybe 3:30 today, and I'll try to update you at 1. I get another break at 1:30. Try to update you guys then, but I should be out of here, out of work at 3:30, and then I gotta go to FedEx to drop off my my trade-in. So I got iPhone, what is this? iPhone SE, first generation. I traded it in for the Galaxy S22, and they gave me $124 for it. So yeah, I had to do it. It was just sitting around. powers on and everything, and it holds the charge. So that's what I'm trading in for this. Got it $124 for it, for the iPhone SE first generation. And I got the free watch because I got it on pre-order. But yeah, I'm gonna keep updating you guys, so keep watching. What's going on, YouTube? I am back again using a little GPS, heading to the FedEx store so I can drop off my package. Got out of work at 3:30 and it's probably a half an hour drive. I'm at 48% at 4:01 p.m. So far it's pretty decent with the battery life. I'll keep you guys posted as I go throughout the rest of the day. All right, guys, I am home. Just about to pull in the driveway. Shout out to Alan Anthony for his video. I'm watching Phone Tech at Work's video here, and I just pulled in the driveway. Gonna check out the battery life. It is 4:27. I just dropped off my package at FedEx, and 43%. I'm just pulling in through the door. It is 4:25 p.m. So yeah, 4:25 p.m. If you watched the beginning of the video, I unplugged the S22 Plus at 4 a.m. in the morning, and this is where we're at right now as far as the battery percentage goes. So 43%. This is exactly 12 hours and 25 minutes later since I unplugged the device. So I would say it's doing pretty damn good. I pulled a 10-hour shift today. I started at 5 and I drove from my job all the way to FedEx, which took about 45 minutes. And then I drove from FedEx home. So there it is, 4:26, 43%. Stay tuned for some more coverage on the battery life. All right, guys, we are back with the final battery results on my Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus and my Galaxy Watch 4. You can see there I got 50%, so it did great. The watch did great. The phone is currently, let me go back. The phone is currently at 15%. I just got a notification that said, well, I might have deleted it, but it said something about my battery. I hit 15%. So 8:10, it didn't quite make it till 9 p.m., but it did pretty good. I think if I pushed that 50%, I'd probably make it till maybe 8:30. But let me show you the battery life. So we got 4 hours and 38 minutes on screen time, and screen off time 11 hours and 22 minutes, and we were off the charger for 16 hours and 9 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the charger now and catch you guys in another video. We out.